Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you a quick way you can create an electronic signature and use it in your Word document. If you find this video useful, kindly hit the like button and subscribe for more contents. Now, let's go straight into the video. To create an electronic signature, first of all, write your signature on a plain paper and scan it. Open the scanned documents and convert it to a PNG file. To do this, click on Save As. Enter your preferred name. Select PNG from the options and save. Open your browser and search for online PNG tools. Link to the website is provided in the video description below. In the online PNG tools website, select Make a PNG transparent. Click on the grey out box and select the signature file you want to convert. This will remove the background image and leave out the signature. Click Save As and select Download to download the signature image. Open your Word document. Go to Insert, select Picture and click on This Device to add the signature image. Edit the image to properly fit into the signature space. There you have it. You can now print it or share. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more contents.